Our feet are the most integral part of our body as it carries the weight of our entire body. But foot blisters make our life very miserable. Foot blisters are white bubble-like appearance which is filled with fluid and are extremely painful while walking or running. Some of the main causes of foot blisters are heat, tight shoes, sunburn, allergic reactions, skin peeling, sweat and dirt. Many people advise that these blisters should be pricked while many believed that it should be left as it is. But both the cases are painful and necessary precautions are needed to be taken before doing that. So today in this video, I am going to tell you 7 effective home remedies for foot blisters. But before moving ahead, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel for such amazing videos and press the notification bell for regular updates. First, aloe vera. Aloe vera is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It greatly helps in the skin inflammation and burning sensation caused due to blisters. Apply aloe vera gel on the blisters and let it stay for 20 minutes. And wash the feet with lukewarm water. Apply it twice a day to reduce blister. Second, apple cider vinegar. We have all known apple cider vinegar for its amazing health benefits, but it can also prove to be a highly effective remedy for foot blisters. Apple cider vinegar, due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, not only reduces the swelling and pain of the foot blisters, but also helps in healing and reducing infections. Take 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl and mix it with 1 spoon of water and apply it on the blisters with the help of cotton. When dry, wash the feet with lukewarm water. Third, castor oil. Castor oil is well known for its medicinal properties and uses. It helps to reduce the dryness, itching and redness of the blisters by providing the much required moisturization. Apply castor oil on the blisters with the help of a cotton ball and leave it overnight. Just within 2 to 3 days of uses, you will notice that the blisters have started to heal. Fourth, green tea. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce pain caused by blisters. Green tea also contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation of blisters. To do this remedy, dip a green tea bag in a cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Then take it out and let it cool. Now keep this tea bag on the blisters for some time and repeat this process 3 to 4 times a day. Fifth, coconut oil. Coconut oil contains a substance called lauric acid, which is a fatty acid that can hydrate the skin and limit inflammation. The oil helps your skin tissues to repair and grow back healthier. You can soak a cotton ball in the oil and dab it onto the skin to promote healing to the blisters. 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial properties. Mix 1 spoon of water and 1 spoon of coconut oil in a cup. Now add a few drops of tea tree oil to this mixture. Apply this oil on the skin with the help of a cotton ball to get rid of foot blisters fast. 7. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, popularly known as Vaseline, can also be used on blisters to reduce pain and relieve dryness. Apply Vaseline over the blisters and around the blister area as well. You can also prefer to soak your feet in hot water for a while and then dry it with a towel. Thereafter, applying Vaseline on them. While hot water will reduce pain and infection, petroleum jelly will heal and moisturize it. I hope you have liked the easy and effective home remedies for foot blisters. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you.